Just recently we've had a large earthquake in Christchurch, and plumbers and drain layers have been very much in demand because that was the essential service that everybody lost during the earthquake. So we've got about 5 years of rebuilding a city, but the first thing that has to happen is that all the water, gas and sewage is all repaired first, as it was all damaged. So yeah, it's been pretty unpleasant back in New Zealand. I live in the city that the earthquake was centred in, and we've been out and done some voluntary work for Habitat for Humanity. I actually took my a class of 16 apprentices to some houses, and we fully re-piped and got them going so that these people that didn't have insurance could actually have somewhere to live. So that was quite fulfilling. If New Zealand won, that would be absolutely fantastic, because we haven't actually won a gold or silver or a bronze at WorldSkills before, so it would be a great achievement for such a small country.